Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be talking about how to pay on delivery with cash using Shein. There is a lot to know about this, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone, and after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Shein application, where as you can see it is the shop where you can all order the items that you want to buy. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you buy items with cash. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see all the sections you can access, such as the shop section. Here we have the categories, the new card, and the profile options. So guys, now let's go ahead and select the items that we want to buy. So guys, go to the shop section and go ahead and find the items that you want to buy, enter any section, and here you can go ahead and select the item, open it up, and click add to cart. So guys, after adding your items to cart, you can go ahead and click your cart in the upper right corner. This is going to open up where you can see all the items that you want to purchase. So now we can go ahead and proceed to the checkout page by clicking the checkout button right here. Click on checkout guys, and this will now take us to this new page where we can select our payment method. So guys, as you can see, we have three payment methods. We can either pay using PayPal, or we can pay using a credit or debit card, or we can pay using Google Pay. And guys, as you can notice, there is no option to pay upon delivery. So guys, basically we are out of options to pay once we get a product. We always have to pay in advance, either using a credit card or PayPal or something else. So if you do not have money currently on your account, you will have to wait and upload money to your account so you will be able to buy it, because Shein just does not offer the application, does not give you the option to go ahead and pay with cash when you get the item. But basically guys, that is the only answer that we have, and probably soon in the future I hope they will add the new option to pay with cash. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.